Corvette Custom offerings here. This one is from 1957 to begin with, and then we'll take care of a 61 in a few minutes.
As part of the build, they did not decide to use the original frame. It's difficult to adapt an original frame to modern suspension and power plants, so they went with one from the folks at Street Shop, which makes the installation of that engine, the modern era LS6 engine. Also the modern brakes and suspension components easier to do. No automatic transmission here, guys. That's a 5-speed manual. Vintage air conditioning in place, power steering, which is not available in 1957. In fact, 63 was the first year for optional power steering in the Corvette.
So in the vein of that hot rod, would this be all Zora Arcus Duntov fiberglass?
That probably would be. If you're interested in a C1 Corvette with a $250,000 build, you're looking at it. That's how just off the hook that vet is.
Reserves off $170,000, the current bid.
Wow.
Upgraded four-wheel disc brakes make it imminently drivable, and if you want to drive it to the car show, you've got that Tremec 5-speed, which means you got an overdrive. It's going to be pretty friendly.
Yeah. Telephone the high bid at $180,000.
Well, there we go. $180,000.
Here, coming down the lane is lot S1.